Ron from JTS. We've just finished up this canopy on the patrol. Just run you through what we've done here. So the customer wanted something that they could easily access. So we've put the panel on the slide angle here, which is really popular at the moment and works really well for when you're actually using the system. We've got dual USBs with the USB-C, some SIG sockets, we've got switching, we've got the Victron gauge, and it's a smart one, so you've got Bluetooth control as well. We've got 240 outlets, we've got solar input and an Anderson input as well. Output, sorry. We've also got the inverter on a switch in the middle here, so you just switch on, inverter's working, you can use your points, away you go, and then she's off. This canopy is actually a lift-off system, so they didn't want any car charge, they wanted it to be self-supporting. So what it has is a good quality MPPT from Victron. It's got the all your fusing down here, so when it's off the car, it's continuing to charge. There's also 240 input, which they can set up at the campsite if they want, or if they're at home, they can top their battery up, ready to go away on a trip. We've got a 200 amp hour Zeal battery in here, and that's got the full 200 amp hour output as well, so perfect to match with the inverter. All your fusing's in place there, and all your cables are in the style that we like, the open style, so that you can, you know, if you need to fault find or have a look at anything, it's all there on show for you. So if you like any of the kit that we've got here, or you've got a canopy being built, give us a call at JTS or comment down below. You know, we'll answer back straight away, and we can organise a great system like this for your ute or for your canopy build.